Come on. There we go. There we go. Now watch this. The volume will come in now. See? Boom. It's pushing now. You see? So today is a winning day. Last time, $17,000 in profit. You fucking broke it. Yo boys, today's day 13 of passing 100k funded challenge using the MambaFX breakout strategy. Look, I'm going to get straight into today's video. Didn't trade yesterday and the day before. Well, we traded yesterday. You'll see in this video what happened. But yo boys, if you trade the MambaFX breakout strategy, I want you all to jump in the description below and join the Discord where everybody else trades the breakout strategy. Ooh, we're up 10k, yeah? Ooh.
I break a back like I break the bank. I'm playing my part. Pagans, I fill up the tank. Babe, just me back.
Yo. Another day, another dollar. Right, yo, boys, let's get this right. So, yo, boys, today is a new day, right? I know some of you missed me. I know I've seen the comments. Brandon, upload. Why ain't you uploaded? So, Monday, I was away. On a trip. I had no signal, right? Today, boys, I'm not trading. I'm in the middle of nowhere. Woo! I'm not trading today, boys. Today's the day off. We're on holiday. Little trip out.
Last minute. I think if you've done pretty well.
Yesterday, we had Jerome Powell speaking, and it was supposed to be a no trade day. What it was going to be. But the thing is, with me, I do watch the charts every day, even if I'm not trading. I mean, to be honest with you, I have not missed a single day trading this year, except for Monday. Also, I just snapped my glasses over the weekend. So this whole video, I'm going to have one arm on. So allow me, all right? But I'd be lying if I said I didn't trade. Because what happened yesterday? Yesterday, US30, as a lot of you already probably know this, because you probably watch the charts like me, took off like a rocket, right? Absolutely flying. NAS, because of Jerome, I was like, I don't want to went in US30 because it came out like out of nowhere and was very quick. I don't like trading trades super early. I was like, okay, cool. We'll wait for NAS to maybe make the move. So I'm like, okay, cool. We'll take a buy position. With the amount of buying volume that US30 had, surely NAS is gonna follow. But what does it go and do? So I take my entry, whoop, bro, not even a 1-to-1, maybe a 0.67, and then reverses all the way down, right? Bullshit. So lost that trade yesterday. How much did I lose? I did lose 0.8% of the account. So, right, that was now a losing day. Again, this is in the description of every video. Right, cool, lost yesterday. Today, Wednesday, new day, right? We don't really have news, so we don't have that to worry about. So, we have 30 seconds still open. Classic me. So, support and resistance isn't as clear today, I'll be honest with you. Market has just opened. Let's see how these both react. I'm going to just pay attention to US30 today, I think. So what the fuck just happened then? So US30 is hella... Surely not. US30 is ridiculously bullish. As I'm now watching this back, boys, you see this resistance line I put in? I've actually put that too low. I should have actually put it below here. And this would have actually just shown that it was resisting rather than actually pushing for a breakout. But this is why you review trades and go again every single day. Should we just send it, boys? Right, we are in US30 at way too high of a risk. Fuck, I didn't mean to do that. Nope, did not mean to do that at all. That was not meant to happen. That was ridiculously impulsive. Oh my God. What's going on? That was just the dumbest shit I've done all this trip. Cool, that was fucking ridiculous, wasn't it? That's just throwing me off, right? Focus. These two are playing opposite day to day at the minute. Right. US30 is going for a buy. NASDAQ's going for a buy. Boys, I'm potentially just going to fucking just send it at this point. Why did I take that fucking trade then? That was stupid. I've just missed US30. What? Nah. Why the fuck did I do that? That was stupid. Right, boys, what to learn from there? Don't take a trade within the first fucking 10 seconds of market open, whether it crosses your lines or not. It's just bullshit. Don't do it. I promise you, just don't do it. It's just not the one to do. Right, NASDAQ. What you telling me? What you telling me? Right, we're in NASDAQ. Wait, how am I in 3,000 fucking loss? Hey, am I in 2 trades right now? Did I never close? How am I in 3? How am I in? I put on 5 lots. Boys, sorry, I've just fucked the whole challenge. I put on 5 lots. I'm meant to put on 0.5. Right, boys. Today, I've just blown the account. I've actually just blown the account. Boys, I've just blown the fucking account. I fucking blew the account like a bastard. I put on 5 lots. Boys, I didn't mean to put on 5 fucking lots. Oh, well, that's down the shitter, innit? That's down the shitter. Right, well, challenge has just been blown today, boys. So, next series, I'll tell you what we're doing whilst we fucking have this account blown. 5 lots. 5 fucking... So, since we've just absolutely fucking bummed the account, I mean, we'll still wait it out and see if it wins the fucking trade, you know what I mean? You know, we'll mark it all out, why not? But this is probably going to shut down on me about any minute now and just tell me that I can't trade no more. Here we are. I've just blown it from the most bullshit, simple mistake ever. Like, literally when that trade just started then, I was like, why am I minus 3,000? And then I look and it's 5 lots. Do you know how ridiculous 5 lots is? 5 lots. I'll literally still do that. Why not? So I'm going to take out 2.5 lots. I'm still going to close this as this is. Right. So I've just taken half of my position. Look, even though I've just blown the account, I'm still going to walk you man through how I will trade this, right? And now I'm just going to let the race run. Break even. Stops are at break even. Monday next week, I am going to start that challenge. I'll start a fresh week. I won't start it tomorrow. Even though I may upload tomorrow. Oh, shit. Do you know what, boys? How the fuck that? Shambles. Absolute shambles, isn't it, today? Right, so Monday next week, what we're going to do is start a new series. We're going to be passing a funded using MambaFX himself in his live trading rooms, pass a funded challenge and see if we can do it. I can only take his trades, right? Only take his trades, can't take my own. Risk 1% each trade and see if we can pass it, right? And I'm going to document every single day. So Mamba trades Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, don't trade Fridays. So expect a video Monday to Thursday. Like I say, I will be using Clarity as the prop firm that I go with. This is what I've used the whole time, right? Because currently as it stands, if we use the discount code Freedom50 in the link in my description of every single video and we apply this, we can literally get 5k prop firm funding for $25, which is ridiculous. 10k for $49. So if you want to start trading with $10,000 worth of funding and you think you could pass a challenge, $50 and you've got 10k. But I think what I'll do is I'll put in my Discord after this video what you guys think I should get next. 100k, 200k. I kind of want to get a 200k, you know, and just double up. Or maybe 100k again, we'll see. But I can get a $100,000 funded challenge for $246, which is crazy. So that is exactly what we'll do. And yeah, so expect that. And I'll document the whole thing and show you guys top to bottom how the live trading room works, what's included. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Again, I'm still in this trade, even though I've blown the account. from a stupid mistake. I am going to walk you guys through the trade. So currently as it stands, we're at break even. We hit a 1-to-1, so we're taking 50% of our profit off of the table, and we're just going to let this run. I'm going to let this run and hold all the way up to this area here. Just shy of a 3 RR. So yeah, but if it gets stopped out, it gets stopped out. So this actually would have been a winning day, a winning trade. But unfortunately, due to stupid mistakes like I've just done there, did a 5 lot rather than a 0.5, which is a 10x difference. Absolutely just. Whilst we're mixing it up, as you can see, this is my setup. Boom, that's that. Yeah, I play guitar, another guitar, and another guitar in the case. Here's my room where I sleep in. Shit oil. Yeah, a little bit dirty. Come downstairs. Again, what I like to do is I always like to know areas of previous support or resistance. As you can see here, there's this area we want to watch out for. Is it going to push through, or is it going to reject from here? You know, because obviously push, reject, push through. Had a little bit of tension, a little bit of, you know what I mean, fucked up. Finally got through, so then this would be my next area, right? And usually these areas kind of go on for quite a while, right? That's all it is. It's super simple. You see here, it's bounced off of it, and then it's become bounced off of it, broke through it, absolutely shit itself, and then it's bouncing off of it again. But yeah, we'll see what happens. We shall see. Imagine, yeah, one day when these are real numbers. Imagine one day when these are real numbers and it's actually like making $10,000-$12,000 in a day. I mean, I've kind of proven that there's no real reason why I can't. Some people are going to be in the comments, oh, well, you've just blown the account. Yeah, I've blown the account. Not proud of it. But like, the trade as it stands still remains the same, right? There's nothing I've done actually. Like, we didn't get stopped out. We hit a 1-to-1, took 50% of our profits. We're now letting the rest run. The only thing I've done wrong is just put the lot sizing wrong, which is probably the easiest fucking thing out of the entire trade, but we move. We don't have to talk about that. Although it could just resist off this area here. Might be worth just getting out, but we'll see. Just gonna reject. Are we gonna push through? We'll see. We've got time. Come on. There we go. There we go. Now watch this. The volume will come in now. See? Boom. It's pushing now. You see? That's what we want. Absolutely what we want. So today is a winning day, but we blew the account. Just due to absolute degeneracy. Last time, $17,000 in profit, you fucking broke it. Next Monday, we're starting a new challenge, passing a 100k funded challenge using the MambaFX live room, the currency cave where he live trades every single day. So yo boys, look out for that. Next Monday, that'll be the video to watch out for. That's gonna break the net. Besides that, boys, have a sick day. Hope you all had a good training day. Hope you learned something from this video, even though I just fucking fucked it. Right, so realistically, boys, because my account has obviously been blown, it doesn't show any positions open. It shows that I have $127,000 in equity, but obviously it's blown, right? But at this point, as you can see here, stop loss was here. I've trailed it up, and now bang it here. And if we get stopped out here, then I'll be out. But if it continues going up, we just continue fucking making peas. Obviously, if this is a real trade, like, but yeah. And there it is, boys. Whilst I'm just editing this video, the account has been blown. I've been logged out. But yeah, I'm going to buy another one today, and we'll start again Monday.